Oh, so nice, so nice, so nice. Welcome back to another video. Yes, again, I'm wearing the same thing because I'm shooting 2 videos in a day. We got to get these videos out. Shelly is finally back from her surgery. You guys can find out more information about her surgery on her channel, on her new YouTube channel, VSG Shelly. So go ahead, check that out. That will be in the link in the description down below. Right now, we have a 91 shirt order for some cheerleaders in her hometown of Navasota. So if this is your first time tuning into this video on her channel or on mine, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, because if you want to grow your own t-shirt business, we are the company that's gonna help you do it. You're not gonna be able to do it with any other company. We have the best prices in the country, in the world. And we have the best high quality DTF images, the flash transfers. What are they called? Flash custom transfers are amazing, You're not gonna get anywhere else. Better quality and better price. So Shelly right now is finishing up the transfers that we have for this huge order. She's going ahead and knocking, guys, look how many shirts we've done already. Look at this huge stack of shirts. And you guys can start your own business the exact same way. The exact same way, on demand, because you don't have to order multiple sheets. You can order one 22 by 24 sheet. We got more shirts right here. Got more prints right here. Transfers. Look at all these shirts that we have to press.
Yeah, these are all the kids. Those are adults. I made those images a little bit bigger for the adults, just because it can be proportioned on an adult versus a little extra small kid shirt.
Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at Sinclair Photos. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Sinclair Photos. He's over 100,000 subscribers here in Houston. Big YouTuber. Make sure you guys go subscribe. Check him out. We make his merch. All right, so we just got to set up.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up the camera, and we're just going to let the camera roll as we press all of these shirts. Again, if you were to have to do this with vinyl, you would have to weed and do all the other stuff, and it'd just be a lot of waste of time, which is money. Time is money. So we cut that process out for you. You get our flash custom transfers. You can print as many shirts as you want. You can have some in the background. You can have some extra printed. So if you ever just need, somebody just walks in or somebody just needs a shirt real quick, boom, you can do it. Again, don't forget, our process, you can order one sheet starting at 25 bucks. All right, guys, let's go ahead and let's press these shirts. that is it, guys. Can't make this up. 12:01. Wednesday, same time. Oh, sorry. Yep. Sorry, we had a little issue there with the camera. It can only record for 29 minutes, I think, or 30 minutes, so it cut out. But we went ahead and finished. You guys can see the time. We finished 91 shirts in less than an hour. We still have all the rest of the day to handle orders and make stuff for other people. So that just goes to show you how fast this DTF process is with no weeding, no cutting or anything. All you gotta do is cut it out, press. All you need is a heat press. You don't even need a cutting vinyl machine to start your own business. And you'll be a lot better than people who are doing vinyl, because people who are doing vinyl are kind of limited to what they can do. If you're doing DTF, there's no limitation. You can do a small, big, as detailed as possible. So you'll be ahead of the game with less investment. Most people got to buy the Cricut machine, weeding tools, heat press. Some people even buy the sublimation printer like we did. All that stuff we barely even use. I mean, we do use the vinyl machine a lot, but now that we're doing DTF, you come to us with a crazy logo, we're just going to do DTF. It's just so much easier to do. So now we just got to do what? Separate the shirts by size?
We just need to make sure, I just want to double check and make sure we have, you know, the 17 large, 22 medium, just kind of double check. I got on my adults. Just want to double check before we send it off, just to make sure the quality control is good.
Yep. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, guys. So that is it. They're all packed up, ready to go. All in here. So I'll show you guys all the different sizes that we got. Packed them all in here, all done. This took a while to kind of figure out, count them all, but this is finally done. We got another order out, Sinclair Photos. Mama's having her lunch. So that's gonna be it, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Again, we did it in under an hour. It took two of us, but we did do it in under an hour. Obviously, if you're by yourself, it might take you a little longer. But the purpose of this video is to show you that with DTF, you can take a huge order and cut the time in half if you're comparing it to like vinyl and having to cut, so you have to wait for the cut time, you have to weed, you don't have to do any of that with our Flash Custom Transfer process. Please reach out to us at Flash Custom Designs on Instagram, FCD Vinyl and Apparel on Instagram, Flash Custom Designs on YouTube. Check out my wife's page. Also, fcdvinylandapparel.com or fcdvinylandapparel@gmail.com. You can email us and you can get a quote. And again, you can start your own t-shirt business for 25 bucks. All right, guys, you know my slogan. I'm starving, it's lunchtime. I'm gonna go eat. Peace.